I'd seen emails from your company and I invited them in to give me a quotation. And to be honest, that was a very good move for me because I saved a lot of money within the first year. Within a month, I halved my expenditure on mobiles. So the entire package of the 15 phones, it was half.
Hello, Kestrel.
Our phone system is linked to our database, which links any telephone activity with our customers' files and records.
So their names or the name of the company comes up, so we're immediately on to that, you know, typing in the details, getting the database up and straight in there without any waste of time.
And what's the problem?
We can talk to them about actual facts as opposed to going away, finding out detail and coming back to the customer with another phone call.
Okay, thank you. Yeah, this might be something I can get one of the engineers to help with over the telephone. Would you mind holding and I'll see if I can connect you to him?
So we can see who's been to a client last, so we try and connect with that engineer because that engineer is obviously familiar with the site.
So if it was, for example, engineer Ben, we would put the customer straight through to engineer Ben and he would deal with it because he's had the face-to-face with the client before.
Yeah, well, when we used to do it, the girls used to phone us up and we used to have to take the number down, then give them a call back. Sometimes they wouldn't answer because they wouldn't know if it was us or not, so it's great just to get straight through to them. Hello.
Hi, Ben. I've got a customer on the line who is having problems setting the alarm. Can I connect you through?
Sure, okay.
Okay, great, thanks.
Yeah, first of all, we'll just try a few checks first. If you can just put your code in for me, please.
Essentially, the alarm could be fixed over the telephone.
Absolutely, yeah, and it's great for the customers as well, because if they need to speak to somebody straight away, rather than waiting for us to finish the job and get back, it's just like speaking and phoning them direct.
We record all our calls and obviously we tell people we're recording.
A financial situation may arise with an invoice. A price was quoted on the telephone and the invoice is sent out. Of course, everyone's forgotten what was quoted. Straight back to the recording and you can play it back to the customer. This is what was said to you on the phone.
It's an important thing to kind of refer back to if there's any disputes, if it's not clear what's been said on either side, then we can refer back to that information, and it just clarifies it, and everyone knows where they are. You know, it's a real positive thing.
We should state at this time that we would take the customer off recording if we were taking financial details.
A situation that kind of occurs fairly regularly where clients then say, I wasn't told I was going to be charged for this visit.
There's no question then. They can hear their own voice, they can hear the operator's voice, what they quoted. Oh yes, maybe I do remember. Yeah, beautiful.
They may well have forgotten, but if we can explain to them that we have got a recording of that conversation and really specific details, sometimes that brings it back to their minds that, oh yes, I remember now, I did have that conversation with you, and it just clears it up, and that's the end of it, no more time is wasted on it. There's a lovely little foresight set up where you can message each other, very kind of casual calls through. Can you please call someone? It's there on you know, up in front of you as soon as you come back from lunch or something. That information is there. If you don't want to shout across the office, it's just a really quick way. Or if anyone's got their doors shut, you can just kind of message through. We use that quite a lot.
You can see the little wiper on there. You have all different sorts of presets. Spin and wipe it from wherever you are.
The beauty of our system here is that the engineers, 4Com engineers, can dial in, take control of one of our PCs and fix an issue without seeing an engineer. That is a value to me.